the perspective of the whole sex. There were Jainism, there were Brahmo Samaj, there were Arya Samaj. And that was the Swamiji's customs, practices, belief systems, philosophies, cults, deities, culture. And it's the thought which says that Hinduism is not a religion per se. It is just does not have a single text as its authoritative one. It does not have a text of the Prasad Traya Vedas, philosophical system. And they never condemn anything. So they preserved, they accepted this. It was to the credit of Sri Ramakrishna and Vivekananda. They
like Shlok says, Isha Vasil Idam Sarvam. That means whatever we are seeing, it is covered or it is provided by the, that's why it is said Isha, Brahma, God, Allah, whatever you may say. So whatever is existing on this earth, Isha Vasil नहीं करोगे, क्योंकि कशिश में धन किसका है, आज इसके पास है, कल उसके पास है.